Hello friends, welcome to Indian Herbal and Ayurvedic Remedies. I am with you, Pratim. Now friends, today I am going to show you a homemade cucumber face mask. Now how cucumber works on your face skin and what are the benefits that you can derive from this cucumber face mask, I will tell something about it. Now first, cucumber has 96% of water content. Now yes friends, it's very true. Cucumber do have 96% of water content. Now nowadays we are leading a very hectic life, and after a day's work you return back home feeling very tired, you get a very tired look. Now if you apply this mask, it will not only rejuvenate your face skin but also will rejuvenate you. You get new energy and you feel revitalized. Now secondly, this face mask will aid in acne and pimple prone skin. Thirdly, it will remove sunburn. If you have severe sunburn, this will immensely help in removing sunburn. Now friends, every day after getting back home, you apply this mask, and before applying this mask, please refrigerate it for about 15 minutes and then apply it. This will give a very cooling effect and refreshing effect to your face skin. Now you can apply about juice of half a lemon to this mask. This will doubly enhance the benefit of this mask. Now many of you actually have very sensitive skin and your skin do react to lemon juice. So if you have that, please don't apply lemon juice to this mask, just apply it. Now you have to apply it all over your face and on your neck and area, all over your neck and face area, and then leave it for about 15 minutes and then wash off. So friends, let's see how we will make this face mask. Now to make this face mask, what you have to do, take a whole cucumber. Now cut off both ends of this cucumber. Cut both the ends of the cucumber. Now take a hand grater and then just grate the cucumber along with the skin. Don't peel off the skin of the cucumber. Along with the skin, just slowly grate it. Just like this, grate the cucumber. So friends, we have grated a full cucumber along with the skin. Thanks for watching. If you like our videos, please like and share.